Hi everyone, today I decided to actually do a test to show you guys the difference between the diffusers that I sell. So this is the Lee filter diffusers. Let me show them to you. So I'm not sure if if you guys can see this clearly, but this is a Lee filter and this is a 252 that I'm going to test first. I'm going to test all 4 types of filters, the diffusers, the 8, quarter, half and full. So this is the 8, so I'm going to put it in front of the light. This light is a standard light of 100 watt LED. So let's get on to the test. So this is 1/8. So with the diffuser and without. Okay. So again I do this. So with and without. So this is 1/8. Okay, so now I'm gonna test the 1/4 to show you guys. Okay, so this is the 251 quarter. Why it doesn't turn brighter? Because I actually locked the exposure so that a more distinctive difference can be shown now. Like, you know, to compare the different diffusers. Okay, so this is 1/4. I'm gonna put it on and off. Wait. Okay. This is with 1/4. And this without. Again, with and without. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to move on to the half diffuser. I'll show you guys. So this is the Lee filter half. So 250 Lee filter half white diffusion. Okay. Let's get on to it. So this is the half. I'm gonna just put it in front of the light now. So this is with, this is without. Okay. Again, this is with, this is without. All right. Okay. So now I'm gonna move on to the full diffusion. It's going to be number 216. Show you guys. So here you go. This is 216. All right. Okay. So this is a full diffusion. Okay. This is with and this without. Okay, again. This is with and this without. Alright, so there you go. You can see the differences between them now. And I think for comparison, you can maybe make 4 different screen tabs and put them side by side and to have a look like what's the difference between them. But generally, the higher the diffusion, the more stops of power it absorbs, but it gives you softer result lah. So there you go. So hope you guys find this video useful. You'll show the light that I use. So I'm gonna disable auto. I'm gonna disable the the lock now for the exposure. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see the light that I'm using. Yeah, why is it not auto? Okay, I'm not sure why my phone is not reacting, but okay, now turn on the light back. So this is the light I'm using. So just to show you guys. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you everyone for watching this. Bye, God bless, see you.